Okay, hey everyone, let's do a quick hijab tutorial for summer, and I'm using this hijab and I will make around 5 to 6 looks. These hijabs are effortless. You just need one pin and one hijab, and I prefer a head cover or head like this right here. And if they both are like, like they both are same color, that's going to be like a perfect match. But even if they don't, it's fine. Otherwise, just take a black if you have a darker shade, or take a beige, have something like lighter shade. So according to what you're wearing, it goes. You don't need much and you don't need a lot of time. It's so quick and easy. So let's start the video. What I did, so let's start with number one. We'll take the pin out and I'm going to do it with you. So for this hijab tutorial, what I did is that I am wearing this hijab and we take same equal length, this one and this one, so they're almost equal. It's nice. If you really want some earrings, you can just put it over here and taking a pin over here, this pin, and then putting it like so. Okay, and that's it. So it's fixed, it's nice, everything is cool about it. And now here comes the magic. So what's the magic? The magic right here is we can just grab these two pieces, like crossing them like so. This is one way of doing it, and it's nice. Also, the other way is like you can take this piece and you can take this piece and you can actually take like your hand in this way, this and this, just grab more and more. We're making some drapes, and then more, so it just covers in this way, and then you just take it. Also, it will give you that waterfall kind of a look. Now look at here, this is perfect, right? This can go at this side and this can be at this side, or you can also take it in this way and you have a both side, like so it will be like this or like this, and it's perfect. It's nice. This is really good if you are wearing an abaya or if you're wearing some long dresses, or yeah, it looks so nice with those, because it will give you a flowy kind of a look. You will look more taller and more put together. So let's go with the second. So for the second hijab tutorial, we took a shorter piece over here and we took a longer piece over here, and again we are going our beautiful pin. You never forget that. So you can have a magnet pin or this pin, it's up to you. We are going to grab this in this way and take this in this way and just put it back. So this is another way. It's not similar to the one in a way that, because we have less of, here, because last time we have equal, this is less. If you really want to have that, like if you're wearing a blazer or things like that, you don't want a lot of material or a lot of things going on here, so this situation of hijab is something when you're wearing a blazer, it's really nice. It's put together, it's nice, it will give you that very subtle kind of look. So this is another look. So for the look number 3, it's going to be, because we have a bigger thing over here, we are going to do this, and we are going to take this, and we're going to bring it over here in this way. So in this way, we are actually having, for dresses that are very simple, that don't have a lot of things, you can have your hijab, you can play around it, or you can have something like if you have a design or something which you really don't like it and you want to cover it with the hijab, you can use these two. And another thing, okay, since we are here, and this is something really cool, and I prefer it with material that are printed, but we can do with this one also. You can grab the both side and you can give it a bit of this and make sure that it is subtle. So if you're wearing a very plain kind of you know, a t-shirt that is very plain like this one, or since my hijab is also plain, but I really love this with the printed hijab in summer vacation. I'm on vacation in the summer, and then if I'm wearing this, it will look really gorgeous. It looks so gorgeous. So thing over here, it's really nice, it's really cute. And yeah, so this is another hijab which we created. Okay, for this hijab tutorial, this is something very common in Middle East. If you're coming to Saudi or Bahrain, or you will see a lot of girls are doing this these days. So this is a hijab tutorial where you take a shorter hand and a longer hand here like this, and you can do it without a pin, or if you're a newbie, then a pin is good. Or if you really don't want, you know, every time to fix it, then I don't prefer a pin. Or here, okay, I'll just, because I just want one pin. I'll tell you when I require the pin. So you are going to take your hand with longer piece like this, and you will hold it with this two fingers. And you're going to put it like so, and you're going to take it back as much as you can, and you know, now the option for it's on you. You either want to fix it like here with, okay, another tip I want to give you, a lot of people say that when they do this hijab, they are like, they feel like they cannot breathe well, and they feel it's so tight because this thing just coming right here, this thing, they don't take your finger, this finger, and just, you know, remove it, or go here and just remove it. This will let you comfortable. So here I prefer a pin. I do this almost every day in my office because I feel like this is something, you know, like it doesn't require a lot of fixing. I can have it once and I can work. And you push this right here, is pin, and then you grab and it is like so. Or here, this piece you can tuck it, you can take it inside right here, and just have this one right here and this one right here, and that's all. This is something, if you want it in this way, this adapter is really perfect for abayas. Okay, this is really nice in the summer. It will give you a lot of coverage. By the way, it will just cover fully, and especially if you have dresses that are a little bit, you know, like the neck thingy is like bigger and you really want to cover it, this is a perfect one. So this is it. This is something really easy, nice hijab tutorials. You don't need a lot of thing. You just need one hijab, you just need one pin, and this is an undercap, and that's it. By the way, since you're here, some people I have seen that they like to have some designs on their undercap. So in another tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make that. Or if you're in a hurry, you can just, I'll tell you one tip. If you want your undercap to be seen, or you want it to have some design, okay, some professional setting that does not look nice there, but if you are having something like a vacation or things like that, you can actually take a pen, take this, you know, hijab from here, and then take a pin like so, and you can just have your underpin, sorry, you pin your hijab with your underpin like so. So it will create a look like this. It will give you something different, and you put a pin here. You don't have to hold it throughout your day. You just put a pin right here, and it will give you something like a braided thing you did on your, you know, like your hair, because you cannot show your hair, so you can do this over here and take a pin like this. This is really good when you are going to some picnic or summer vacation, but when you are in the formal getup, I prefer this. This is very classic, chic, and put together hijab where everything is just like covered and nice. So I hope you really like the hijab tutorial. Let me know how do you like these kind of videos where I put the hijab tutorials and things like that, because I really want my content to be, you know, a kind of benefiting you in every aspect of life. So it can be how to have a positive mindset, it can be how to wear modest clothes and look really good. And a lot of people actually ask me about some hijab tutorials, so this was like something on demand. And I really want to also do something related to like like how to take care of your health, how to take care of your wealth, how to have the dominant mindset. I don't want my content to be fixed, so I really want to, you know, how to be more closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I want to cover everything. So if you feel like this, please give it a subscribe and like this video, and I'm going to see you in another video. So take care, see ya.